Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block ads on YouTube. So let's just dive in. First things first, open your web browser and search for the AdBlock Plus extension. Open the very first website that appears on your page. Now you will be able to see the extension popping up on your page, and all you have to do is to just click on the Add to Chrome button, and it will then ask for your confirmation. By pressing the Add Extension button, you can proceed forward on adding this extension. After doing that, the extension will be added to your web browser, which will prevent all the ads that pop out on different websites including YouTube. Now as you can see, all the ads are removed, and you can enjoy YouTube without any of these disturbing ads. And that's it for today's tutorial, and if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.